I'm at Morrisons right now, and there's this payphone here. Specifically, it's a Payphone 490 plus model. It's quite old, as you can see. So I'm just gonna do the BT ring back test where they just ring you back. So 1707. Yeah. It's really annoying with this specific one because it keeps popping up. But if you do it fast enough and good enough, then maybe yeah, as you can see, it's quite annoying. 7070. Okay, there we go. So what we're gonna do is just wait for it to do its stuff for a few seconds. Don't know if you can hear that. And we're gonna press 1, and you have to hang up, and then it calls you. So yeah.